Giggles and grapes.
Hi kids, let's sing the new ABC song and learn some new words. Let's go.
A like angel, B like bee, C like cool, and D like indeed. E like in
Eggs.
F like foot, G like glue, and H just like a hook. Did you get that?
Uh-huh.
Did you? Yeah, nice. Okay, let's move on. I like Iron Man, J like a jar, K like in ketchup, and there's an L in law. All right. Next letter is M. Can you think about a word that starts with M? No? Oh, come on, one word. All right, let me sing it for you. There's an M in mountain, N like in no, O in ocean, and P like in gold. Woo, that was a lot. Okay, so what comes after the letter P?
Q.
Yeah, that's right. Q like in queen, an R in ring. It's just like the sun and the letter T starts in thing. U like ugly, V like vase, double V in warm, and X in X-ray. So now there's only 2 more letters. The first is Y. Y like you, Y like young, Z like a zebra on the run. The alphabet is long. Will this song ever stop? Well, yeah, it ends now, but let's begin from the top.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.